I hope I am audible and the screen is visible. Yes, people on YouTube. Guys, you have all perfect. Yes, Shivam. Thank you. Just 1 minute left. So may I know something about yourself? Uh, for which course you wish to prepare? I'm giving a chance to you to speak. Yes, Shivam. You may unmute yourself. From which place you are? I wish to hear from your side. Yes,
Yes,
Shivam.
good afternoon, sir.
Yes, please try to speak.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Shivam. From which place you are?
Yes, sir. I am from Saharanpur.
You are from
Saharanpur.
Saharanpur. Okay. You wish to join at Yamunanagar?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Might have been referred by Ginny ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, great. So we'll be seeing that today's session. Welcome to the session.
Thank
Okay,
you,
thank
sir.
you.
Thank you so much.
Now yes, Milan, may I know something about yourself? Milan, I am giving you a chance you to unmute.
हाँ जी सर
हाँ जी Milan, from where, which place you are?
सर यमुनानगर
Yamunanagar. Okay, okay. I wish to join for which course? किस
हाँ जी
कोर्स के लिए
सर
ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं आप? कौन सी क्लास से हैं? +2 की है अभी या +2 में है?
सर +2 कर रखी है अभी ग्रेजुएशन का रिजल्ट पेंडिंग है अभी मेरा
Okay, okay. Right, right.
हाँ जी सर
Okay, okay. Yes, Savleen, are you there? Savleen, I hope you have joined. Justria, are you a student of wish to join some course? Yes, people on YouTube, I wish to have your response from may I know, just say hi sir or just let me know whether you are there or not. Yes, Smriti is also joining. Yes, Evelyn, are you there? Okay. So guys, it is 12:15. So we start the session that is algebra without x. Okay. So very interesting topic. Smriti, welcome to the session. Yes, Purvi is here to join. Hi Simran, thanks for your response. Simran, from which place you are? Because there's some lag in YouTube, so you may write. I will. You are from which place? Yes, Simriti, welcome to the session. I'm giving you a chance you to unmute. Please tell me something about yourself. Which place, from which place you are?
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Smriti. Welcome to the session. Yes.
I am from Panchkula.
You are from Panchkula. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you are in. You have done +2 or graduation. In which class are you at present? Okay, Samriddhi, you can unmute yourself. I'm giving a chance you to unmute. Yeah.
Sir, I am in +1 humanities.
Humanities. Okay, great. That's great.
Yes.
Yes, Purvi, may I know something about yourself?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm from Panchkula.
Sorry. Please speak bit loudly.
Good
Yeah,
afternoon,
Purvi.
sir. I'm
Yeah.
from Panchkula.
You are from which place?
I'm from Panchkula.
Panchkula. Okay, okay. Great. Welcome to the session. So we have an
I'm
introduction.
from Panchkula.
Okay, 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 okay. So guys, Shreya. Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm from Panchkula, class 12, commerce.
Of which school?
Kamal.
Kama. Okay. So Shreya, welcome to the session.
Thank you,
Uh,
sir.
so guys, we are doing this topic, very interesting topic, that is algebra without x, right? Uh, Before starting the topic, let me ask you a very basic question. See, uh, I hope you all wish to join our branches. So before that, what sort of teaching we are giving, what sort of preparation you require. So I say my first question is, why some people are good at maths? My question is, why some people are good at maths? When I'm talking about maths, I'm talking about your competitive maths, right? Not academic maths. May I know reason to why some people are very good at maths? Smriti saying by practice. Okay, very good. Anything else? Yes. That comes to mind. Strong calculation. Purvi, great. Very good. Yes. What else? Way of approaching. Smriti, very good. Really great. Okay. Yes. Anyone else? Yes, Purvi. Yes, Shivam. Yes, Shreya. Any guess why some people are good at maths? When I'm talking about maths, I'm talking about your competitive maths. Concepts. Niharika, great. Good to hear you from YouTube. Okay. See, because many people have interest in maths. So that's what I'm asking, why some people have interest in math while other are not very much interested in maths. They have good observation, Shreya. Very good. See, if I sum up all these things, why some people are good at maths, there are four reasons. Real life approach. Great, Rishabh. Very good. We have a very good interactive session today. Very interactive session today. Welcome to the session, Shreya. So, see, people are very good at maths due to the following reason. Okay. People are good at math due to the following reason. One is concept, other is calculation. Since childhood, they have started applying in reality. Okay. So there is no way out. Third is shortcut. Fourth is approach. Right. Concept, calculation, shortcut, approach. Right. These are the four things. Just So there are four things. As we discussed, concept, calculation, shortcut, approach. So concept means when you are preparing for any competitive exam, you should know that what is profit, what is loss, what are different formula of, you can say, uh, permutation, combination, when SI is applied, when CI is applied. These all things come under concept, but you need not to worry about the concepts. Every class will start with the concept. Second important thing is calculation. See, it's a game of numbers. The more you familiar are with numbers, the more comfortable you are at maths. Each number is having some peculiar properties. If I write 441, may I know what is it? A lot of you might be knowing it. May I know what is 441? Yes, guys. What is 441? It is 21 square. Right. May I know what is 144? हर नंबर की एक पहचान है, एक प्रॉपर्टी है. What is 144? It is 12 square. Absolutely, Sindhuji. What is 361? It is 19 square. Right. What is 1728? Yes, guys. It is 12 cube. Okay, I ask a very simple question. What is 121? What do you see in 121? 121 देखकर क्या याद आता है? Yes, Milan. Great, Purvi. It's 11 square. See, each number is having some property. Yeah, 121. You should see it in parts. So each number is having some peculiar property. So you should be clear about that. So the more you play numbers, more good you are at maths, right? If I write 4096, I say it's a very special number. What is peculiar in it? What is special in it? Yes. What is special in this 4096? What I have written? This is 64 square, 16 cube. This is the only 4-digit number which is a perfect square as well as perfect cube. Right. I hope you understand what is the meaning of perfect square. If I take under root of it, 4096, it is 64. If I take cube root of it, it will be 16. Is it clear, guys? Any query? Do you have any number in your mind? Very good, Arin Singh. Good, Tharun. So people on the YouTube are also welcome. So they should also give me the answer. So I say any other number that comes to your mind that is a perfect square as well as perfect cube. कोई और नंबर जो आपके दिमाग में आता हो जो perfect square और perfect cube हो. Yes, I hope I am audible. What about 64? Is it 8 square 4 cube? Yes. What about 729? It is 27 square 9 cube. And what about 1? Isn't it? It is 1 square 1 cube. So these are the special numbers. Right, guys? I hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to say. Right. So it's not a big deal. 2, 3, the 6. Every natural number raised to power 6 is a perfect square as well as perfect cube. 1 raised to power 6 is 1, 2 raised to power 6 is 64, 3 raised to power 6 is 729, 4 raised to power 6 is 4096, 5 raised to power 6 is 15625, and so on. So her natural number ki power 6 will be a perfect square as well as perfect cube. So guys, you should be very clear about the special numbers. Now the $1 million question is, I said you should remember these numbers. So where is the list? Which number we should remember, right? See, you can't make strong building on weak foundation. So there are some bare minimum necessities on which all things are made. The bare minimum necessities are bare minimum necessities, जिसे आप न्यूनतम योग्यताएं कहते हैं. If 1 से 35 तक के squares, 12 15 तक के cubes and 12 to 19 tables. These you should be at your fingertips. See, the competition you are aspiring for, stakes are very high. To beat others, you should have some extra skills in you. When I'm talking about tables, I am talking about random tables, right? 9, 7, 6, 8, 4, 3. So let us say if you're asked to write the table from 19, 99, the 171, 97, 130, 96, 140, 98, 152, 94, 76, 1957. 18354, 18472, 88, 144, 18600, 87, 123, 89, 162. If I'm talking on phone, if you ask me 188, I will say 144 because it is there in my subconscious, right? See, the calculation part should be very strong. So now the question is, see, algebra without x, I will spend 4-5 minutes on the calculation, then we'll moving to the part. So one thing was concept. Second is we are talking about why some people are good at maths. Concept, calculations, shortcut, and approach. This is approach for which this algebra without x workshop is there. So calculation में आपके tables strong होने चाहिए. So tables, we don't have time, otherwise do some exercise here right now. So 12 to 9 the tables आपके fingertips पर I give you a method. If you are able to write them in a minute, then they will be at your fingertips. So if I start writing 12, 24, 36, 48, right, like this. If you forget 12, 6, 72, write it 20 times. It will take at the most 5 seconds to write it, and this hurdle will be removed forever. Right? To prepare a table and writing it 5 times take less than 3 minutes. Right? And to prepare table from 12 to 19, 7 to 10 minutes of your conscious effort will definitely change your attitude toward maths. Because आपकी calculation strong हो जाएंगी, आपका answer आने शुरू हो जाएंगे, the things will become easier. Similar is squares, right? You should remember. Let me check how many of you remember squares. What is 21 square? I gave you recently. Let me see. If it's okay, you may guess. It is what is 21 square? It is 441 for me. Great. Good. What is 25 square? Great, maybe. It's 625. Right. What is 31 square? It is 961. What is 32 square? It is 1024. What is 34 square? It is 1156. What is 35 square? It is 1225. See, you should remember that. Yeah, great, mother. You should remember that you can't make strong building on weak foundation. Professionals make things look easier because they are good at fundamentals. If you talk about great players like Sehwag, Sachin, when they were out of form, they always work on their footwork. So your table, square, calculation, these are not main thing. These are your foundations of mathematics. I repeat, if you have to beat others, you should have some extra skills in you. Definitely, we will be teaching you Vedic maths also. So Vedic maths is very much helpful even in finding square root, all other things. When you have ये point share दिया आपने, Vedic math will help you to understand if I write 10036003224. So I will say directly say it is a square root is 10018. If you write 1048576, you give me any big number, I can give you its square root within seconds, within 1 second. Its square root is 1024. So that you can even do if we teach you, right? So Vedic math is very useful in finding square root, in finding last 2 digit. Lot of other application of advanced number systems are also to be done with Vedic math. But today's workshop is not on Vedic math. We'll do some other time. But today's algebra without x. If you are not even good at mathematics, I believe you can clear the cutoff of any of the paper if your calculation are bit smart and your approach is good. That's what for this workshop is meant for. So we are going to do very interesting thing. So I say there are 4 things to be good at mathematics. Concept की हमने बात कर ली. Second is calculation. Calculation, I say game of numbers. You should have tables at your fingertips, 12 to 19, 35 squares, 15 तक के cubes and prime numbers, right? So there are always questions on prime number, right? So may I know how many prime numbers are there till 100, 1 to 100? Yes, guys. How many prime numbers are there till 1 to 100? These are 25. Absolutely. So you should have them at your fingertips. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. 97 is the biggest 2-digit prime number. Right, guys? Okay. Okay. So algebra without x. So we are talking about, I'm coming to the point, don't worry. So we had 3 things in mind. We had started why some people are good at maths. One is concept, second is calculation, third is shortcut, and fourth one is approach. Right. Shortcut are useful whenever you prepare for any competitive exam or you start preparing, you seek shortcut. Believe me, unnecessary shortcut takes lot of time. You have to bring that question into the shortcut form, then to apply the shortcut. For that, your concept and calculation should be very strong. और हमारे पास बहुत सारे shortcut available है. Wherever they are required, they will be given to you. Last but not the least is approach. This is something that can make you or break you, right? Believe me, approach is very important. As Samriddhi said, in the approach, how you start the question is very important. So question handling is very important. So for what this is workshop is for. So approach, I would give you an example of the approach. What is the meaning of approach? For that, I give you a question. This is the question for approach. He asked me how many students are there in his maths class. Well, B replied, just read this question. We have 2 minutes for you. Yes, hurry up, guys. He asked me how many students are there in his maths class. B replied, 3 by 4 of them are less than 22 years old, 2 by 3 are less than 21 years old, 12 are not yet 20 years old, and there are twice as many between the ages of 20 and 21 as there are between the ages of 21 and 22. How many students were in the class? Hurry up. Let the number be x, whatever you think. जैसे भी आपके दिमाग में आता है. 3 by 4x, 2 by 3x, whatever it is. You will be surprised if I say time over. You will be surprised I say time over. आप लोग कहेंगे इतना तो भी हमने स्टेटमेंट पढ़ा ही नहीं है, जितनी देर में क्वेश्चन हो जाना. ये क्वेश्चन हो जाना चाहिए था. Yes, absolutely, Sindhi. Okay, now reply me. Forget everything. Forget everything. अगर आपको मैथ नहीं भी आता आप तो भी कर पाएंगे. Now let me know क्या number of student be in points or in fraction or negative. क्या नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट पॉइंट्स में हो सकते हैं, फ्रैक्शन में हो सकते हैं, नेगेटिव हो सकते हैं? स्ट्रिक्टली नो. आई होप यू एग्री. यस और नो? एग्री? या. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अबाउट 3 by 4 of them. We will teach you a method. If you even don't know maths, you can clear the competitive exam. 3 by 4 of them. So answer should be such that it should be a multiple of 4. ये 4 से कैंसिल होने वाला होना चाहिए, राइट? सो 30 कैन नॉट बी द आंसर, 18 कैन नॉट बी द आंसर. क्वेश्चन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट 2 by 3 of them. So it should also be a multiple of 3. So 16 cannot be the answer. The only option left is 24. This is the meaning of approach of algebra without x. So instead of finding the answer, you should see what could be the answer. Is it okay, guys? Isn't it wonderful? Or should I repeat? हमने बिना पढ़े क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिया है. एंड बिलीव मी, 1/3 ऑफ द क्वेश्चन जो कट ऑफ के लिए चाहिए होते हैं किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में कैन बी डन बाय दिस अप्रोच. This is, you can say, plug and play. Instead of finding the answer, you should see what could be the answer. Samriddhi, I hope you have done it in like this way, but you have done it complete. Yes, guys, yes, I am not getting any reply. Is it not clear what I have done? Yes, Chetan, Milan, Prachi, Savleen, Shreya, Shivam, Smridhi. Yes, guys, you please reply. Then only I will be able to handle the question. Is it clear? So first approach is, instead of people on YouTube should also reply. I'm waiting for a reply, though I will get a bit late, right? So first, see, this thing can entirely change your attitude toward maths. You will be able to handle the question even of the topic you are not comfortable at, right? So instead of finding the answer, the first thing you should see what could be the answer. So every third question can be solved in the real time pressure with this approach. Yes, Arun Singh, is it okay? Please reply quickly. Right. So I said, the moment you write x, your mind shut. जब आप x लिखते हैं, let the number be x. आपका माइंड बंद हो जाता है जब तक आप x की वैल्यू नहीं निकाल लेते. Right. So instead of finding, so we were talking about 4 things: concept, calculation, shortcut, approach. And this algebra without x is all about approach. So instead of finding the answer, we should see what could be the answer. Right, guys? So would you like to do a few more questions based on that can help you to apply the approach of doing the options, taking the options? Are you ready for it, guys? It's a very interesting thing. इसमें आपको मैथ्स की जरूरत ही नहीं है, खुला दिमाग चाहिए. And believe me, if this approach is going to be developed, it can be developed in even 100 questions. If it is not going to be developed, it is not, you won't be able to do it in 1,000 or 10,000 questions. That's why people keep on writing IPM, CAT or CLAT year and again, but they are not able to change their score because they are not able to change their line of thought. अपना सोचने का नजरिया नहीं बदलते, इसीलिए उनका स्कोर इंप्रूव नहीं होता. Okay, I hope you are ready for another question. Second question, let me see. The tougher the question, loser is its end. Yes, I'm not getting any reply from the YouTube now. Yes, Madhav, Arun. Yes, there are 4 consecutive odd natural numbers. If you talk about natural odd numbers, I hope you understand they are at a gap of 2. If you take x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. These may be consecutive, not x plus 1, because 1 and 3 में 2 का gap होगा. Okay. Good, Purvi, very good. So we'll be talking to you now, people. I'm giving 30 more seconds to see. Obviously, longer method will take much time. Product of first 3 is 9177 and last 3 is 12075. Right. What is the sum of these numbers? Ideally, if you have a proper approach, this question would have been done by now. Good, Smridhi. Very good. Anyone else? Okay, I'm giving you a chance to speak. Yes, Smridhi, may I know how come the answer kaise aaya? Yes, please unmute yourself. I would like to listen to you.
Sir, because sum of even number of odd numbers is even.
Absolutely right.
The last
This is what
digit
I am
will be
saying.
even.
Thank you. See, good, Purvi. I hope you have done the same approach. Yes, Purvi. I hope you are there. Yes, Purvi, what was your approach? Please speak.
Sir, same approach.
Please speak bit loudly.
Sir, same approach.
Same approach. Thank you. Right. See, these people have found
Yes.
it. See, if I ask you, I hope it's clear to all of you. Answer is 88. How come 88? It is the nature of answer. Listen. Chetan, please see. Rest all of you. 3 plus 5. What I say? Odd plus odd is 8. Is it even? If I say 7 plus, I am taking example. Odd plus odd is even. Even plus even is even, and sum of 4 odd number has to be an even number, and only even option is 88. Is it okay, guys? Is it clear? Right. So isn't it wonderful कि अगर आपको टॉपिक नहीं भी आता है तो भी आप so once you are done with around 50 to 100 question with the approach, you will be able to understand where you have to see the perfect square, where you have to see the odd even, where you have to see the multiple. So if अगर ये अप्रोच बननी है तो पहले 50 क्वेश्चन में भी बन जाएगी, अगर नहीं बननी तो 10,000 क्वेश्चन कर लो तो भी नहीं बनेगी. I hope the message is clear of the approach. Right. So are you finding it interesting? Yes or no? So my idea is algebra without x. Right. मैथ्स को हमने आसान कैसे बनाना है, हमारा ये पर्पज है. Okay. So there are, you can give me any question. If the approach is there, tougher the question, loser is its end. Are you guys ready for some tougher question? See, यहाँ एक बात मैं और करना चाहूंगा. Had it been 2 option given, अगर 2 option होती तो भी हो जाता. Let us say 88. We can find the numbers भी. If sum is 88, average comes out to be 22. Right? Good, mother. So if I write 4 consecutive number 3, 5, 7, 9, their average is 6, is in between. 24 by 4. So 22 is the average. So one number should be 21, another should be 23. One before that 19, another after that 25. So these are the 4 numbers 19, 21, 23, 25. Is it okay, guys? You can check the unit digit 9 1 the 9 3 the 27 7 आना चाहिए, last 3 में 5 3 the 15 1 5. So this will work. So had there been 2 options, this could have even been done till then also. अगर 2 option होती तो भी possible था. Okay, so can I give you one tough question? Are you ready for it? That can be done with much ease with the approach. Yes or no? Please reply. You just have to write why. It helps me a lot to understand whether you are there or not. Right. Okay. So this is a typical tougher question of competitive exam. I hope, is this visible? So guys, do it. Some balls are arranged in rows to form an equilateral triangle. The first row consists of 1 ball, second row 2, third row 3, and so on. So this is the only way you can make equilateral triangle. You don't know till where you have to go. Read the question. I give you a minute to read. If you ask the hint, I will give you the hint. Just read the question, read it. This is typical competitive exam question that may take 10 to 15 minutes to solve. And 10 to 15 minutes in solving is very disastrous. अगर आप एक क्वेश्चन में 10-15 मिनट पेपर में लगा देते हो तो पेपर हाथ से निकल जाता है. So how to do it with the help of approach? Obviously with the help of options. Good, Smridhi. Very good. So other people should take some time. I am giving you 1 more minute. Very good, Madhav. Great. Madhav, may I know the approach? Please type. Yes. Two equilateral triangle makes a square. See, some finer approach is now the numbers are required. See, the detailed method is very lengthy. Summation n, let there be n rows, that require a lot of technicalities. Summation n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 669 is n minus 8 whole square. But it is very difficult to make equation in the real time pressure. Okay, हम लोग इकट्ठा सॉल्व करते हैं. Absolutely, Madam. See, number of balls, if it is a 3 by 3 square, what is the number of balls? They are 9. Agree. If it is 4 by 4 square, the number of balls are 16. If it is a 5 by 5 square, the number of balls are 25. I hope all of you are listening carefully. So 9, 16, 25. We are doing it without x. Right. So what are these? These are perfect square. Right. Is it okay, guys? So question says, if 669 more balls are added, they can be arranged in the shape of a square. I start the question. Some balls are arranged in rows to form an equilateral triangle. The first row consists of 1 ball, second row 2 balls, and so on. Means third row 3 balls. We don't know from till where we have to go. Is it okay, guys? I hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to say. It's a difficult question though. So we don't know. We suppose this is the n row. If you do it technically, if 669 more balls are added, they can be arranged in the shape of a square. This question is done here. And each side of the square contain 8 ball less. No need to read this. Determine the initial number of balls. So initial, when the balls can be arranged in the shape of a square, the total number of balls should be such that the number is a perfect square. Only then they can be arranged in the shape of a square. Total number of squares ball तभी स्क्वायर की शेप में अरेंज हो सकती हैं 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5 जब नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो. टोटल परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मतलब 100 कंप्लीट आए. So 47 on adding. Now it's game of numbers. If you are good at Vedic mathematics and calculations, it is not a perfect square. Now it's just a cakewalk. If you do the Vedic mathematics, it will tell you instantly whether it is a perfect square or not, and you will be able to find the square root. So it is 2, we will teach you. 2209 is directly 47 square. This is the only answer, and this is not giving perfect square. So 1540 is the answer. Right, guys? Is it clear? Okay. So first approach is algebra without x is, instead of finding the answer, you should see what could be the answer. Okay. So let's make thing a bit more interesting. See, I won't say two equilateral triangle will make a square, because we are not making, here it is nowhere it is given Smriti that two equilateral triangles are there, right? Okay. Right. So otherwise it's okay. Your thought process is perfectly right. So guys, is it okay? Okay. To make things more interesting, let us, before moving, let's play a game. Your approach is instead of finding the answer, you should see what could be the answer. Second approach is your application part should be very strong. So I take you to that. Just think of a number. सबने सोचा होगा 1 से 10 तक एक नंबर सोचो. चलो एक पजल खेलते हैं, गेम खेलते हैं. I hope you understand it. I will ask you to multiply something, then divide something, we'll get on the number. Let us understand that approach. I want to make a point here. Are you ready, guys? Yes or no? Just write yes. Are you? If you are listening to me, then write yes. Right? And majority, see, आजकल game बहुत popular है, सबको समझ आती है. Shreya has just entered. Right? So अगर आपको आता है, don't interrupt. Just enjoy. We will understand the process. Right? Everyone is ready for the game. Yes, people on the YouTube, are you ready? Yes, Evelyn ready. Shreya, are you have just joined. We are trying to play a game. Just try to make a point here. Right. So think of a number between 1 to 10. 1 से 10 तक एक नंबर सोचो, मुझे कुछ नहीं बताना. Right. I hope all of you, lot of you know it, or majority of you know it. We want to see the process. Right. Okay. Before that, I give you a concept. That is of digital root. Are you guys aware about the digital root? I am writing a word digital root. Tell me, क्या आपको पता है digital root क्या होता है? Yes or no? Or somewhat? Are you aware about digital root? Shreya is there. He's trying to join. Yes, Shreya, are you there? Yes, Samriddhi, you are aware about the digital root, then you might be knowing the concept. Okay, so let me explain to all of you. Samriddhi, what is the digital root of 18? Yes, 1 plus 8, 9. Then you might be knowing the puzzle also. Right, so let me explain to all of you. Sum of digits. What is the digital root of 128? Yes, guys. What is the digital root of 128? Yes, I am waiting for your reply. Yes, Smriti, what is the digital root of 128? Yes, 8 to 1 plus 1, 11, 1 plus 1, 2. What is the digital root of 98? Yes, guys. What is the digital root of 98?
Eight.
Yes, Shreya, you can just, your camera is on. You can switch off your camera, Shreya. Yes, switch off your camera, Shreya. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. What is the digital root of 98? 9 plus 8, 17. 7 plus 1, 8. Is it okay? Right. So we are making a point here. We are trying to discuss something. I hope a lot of you know the puzzle. Right. So digital root is useful when you have to do the calculations. If I write 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1, I know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. So it is 4 into 4, 16, 1 plus 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 4, 4, 14, 3, it is 16. So 1 plus 6, 7. What I mean to say, digital root is very useful in finding the bigger calculations, right? मतलब अगर कोई कैलकुलेशन ट्रू है वो तभी ट्रू है अगर लेफ्ट और राइट के डिजिटल रूट बराबर है. In lot of bigger calculation they might see this tricky also, right guys? Is it clear what I am trying to say? If 12 8 the 96, so left hand side और right hand side का डिजिटल रूट सेम होना चाहिए. 2 plus 1 3, 3 8 the 24, 2 plus 4 6, 9 6 the 9 plus 6 15, 5 plus 1 6. So bigger calculation में बहुत helpful रहेगा, right? 114 into 8 is 912, whether it is correct or not. 4 plus 5 plus 1 6, 6 8 the 48, 4 plus 8 12, 2 plus 1 3, 9 to 11 plus 1 12, 2 plus 1 3. So this may be correct. Wherever, so in bigger calculation, if the digital root calculation is not correct, then it is not correct. Is it clear, guys? Yes or no? So I asked what is the digital root of 88? Yes, give me the answer. Eight plus 8 16, 1 plus 6 7. I hope it's clear to all of you. What is the digital root of 138? It's not 11, it's 2. Digital root is always a single digit. Keep on adding till you get a single digit number. 8 3 11 plus 1 12, 1 plus 2 3. I hope it's clear कि आपको सिंगल डिजिट तक ऐड करना है, राइट? लॉट ऑफ यू नो द ट्रिक, बट आई विल टेक यू टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल, राइट? 128 का डिजिटल रूट 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 1 plus 1 2. Yeah, right? Is it clear, guys? What is the digital root of 1540? May you know? सबको समझ आता है ये? 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10, 1 plus 0 1, right? Okay, those who know the trick, the puzzle is very popular, but we'll take it to the next level, but still it will be new for few one. Now think of a number between 1 to 10. सोच लिया सबने? मुझे कुछ नहीं बताना जब तक मैं कुछ ना पूछूं, right? So think the number between 1 to 10, right? Multiplied by 9. Multiply कर लिया सबने, right? Okay. Find the answer. Don't tell me the answer, right? Think of a number between 1 to 10 multiplied by 9, right? Yes, Shreya, Praji, Purvi, all of you are, lot of people are on live, not all on our YouTube, okay? Right. So multiplied by 9, find the digital root of the number you have found. Don't tell me. Think any number between 1 to 10. I have given a smaller because you don't need to do the bigger calculation. Multiply that by number 9. Find the digital root of it. Subtract 5 from that. Right? You may get a single digit number if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 1 is there, then think A. If 2 is there, then think B, C, D, E. Right? I repeat. Multiply, think any number between 1 to 10, multiplied by 9. Whatever the answer you are getting, find the digital root of that. Subtract 5 from that. You will get a single digit number. I hope you are okay till now. Or should I repeat? If your single digit number is 1, then think A. If your single digit number is 2, then think B. 3, then C. 4, then D, and so on. Have you thought about the alphabet? Yes or no? Just write, or should I start again? Have you reached to the English alphabet? How many have reached to the English alphabet? Yes. Okay. Now I am doing a rapid fire GK. Whatever English alphabet you have thought a country starting from that alphabet. How many you have thought of? Let me see. Yes or no? Yes. How many alphabets are there in that English in that country? 7 or 5? 5. If you are thinking 5, you are thinking a city, not a country. Yes. बाकी सबने country सोच ली. Should I repeat the process? 1 से 10 तक एक नंबर सोचो, उसको 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, जो आंसर आ गया उसका डिजिटल रूट निकाल लो, उस डिजिटल रूट में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, जो सब्ट्रैक्ट करके सिंगल डिजिट आ गया उसके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट सोचो, उस अल्फाबेट से शुरू होने वाला एक कंट्री सोचो. यस. किस किसने कंट्री सोच लिया? यस. श्रेया, पूर्वी, yes guys, should I repeat? Yes. So is the country of 7 alphabet? जो कंट्री सोचा उसके लास्ट अल्फाबेट से शुरू होने वाले एक एनिमल सोचो. लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी आर एबल टू थिंक. सोच लिया समृद्धि? जो एनिमल सोचा उसके लास्ट अल्फाबेट से शुरू होने वाला एक फ्रूट सोचो. फ्रूट कितने अल्फाबेट का? 6 का. I wind up now. So what you have thought of? Denmark, kangaroo, orange. Right. Denmark सबने सोचा. Animal, not bird. Thought of the bird. Okay. So what is the logic in it? Whenever, yes, rest all of you did the process. Koila, okay, no problem. They can come in the category, but Denmark was there. So the important learning is the process. So the process is whenever you multiply any number by 9, whatever bigger it is, you get the digital root as 9. 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 8. Multiply by 9 will give digital root 9. Is it okay, guys? Are you ready for it? Okay. Are you aware about the factorial? What is 2 factorial? Yes, guys. 2 into 1, 2. What is 1 factorial? 1. 0 factorial? 1. What is 3 factorial? Yes, Shubham. Yes, Prachi. What is 3 factorial? It is 6. 3, 2, 1. Okay. What is the digital root of 4 factorial? May I know? 4 factorial. It is 24. 2 plus 4, 6. What is the digital root of 5 factorial? Digital root. Answer जो 5 factorial का आएगा. It is 120. It is 3. Right. So by going this way, what is the digital root of 88 factorial? May I know? factorial. You can do like this. 88 को 87 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, जो आंसर आए उसे 86 से करो. कई बार पेपर में टाइम भी पास नहीं हो रहा होता. No, you will tell the answer right now. 88 to 1 तक आपने जाना है. जाते जाते क्या 10 आएगा रास्ते में? Yes, no. Will 9 come? Yes, what I have told. Whenever you multiply any number by 9, digital root is big 9, isn't it? $88, $87 till 1 will give you a 9 in between. I have already told दैट किसी भी नंबर को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिजिटल रूट भी 9 आएगा. व्हाट इज द मैसेज आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव? अभी आपको 2 मिनट पहले बताया था कि किसी भी नंबर को 9 से गुड अरिन मल्टीप्लाई करें डिजिटल रूट 9 आएगा, बट जब वो एप्लीकेशन पार्ट में आया तो स्ट्राइक नहीं किया. यही कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में होता है, राइट? ओके, so whenever you multiply any number by 9, digital root has to be 9, however big it is. I hope you have understood it. So let us do one more question. Yes, sum of n terms of the series. So these type of questions are always there. This is a series of 1, 2, 3. This is 1.2. It 8 plus 1 9. Show me. 81 फैक्टोरियल का भी 9 ही होगा. 6 फैक्टोरियल के बाद सबका डिजिटल रूट 9 ही होगा. ओके, सो हाउ टू हैंडल दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन? 1.3 square, 2.5 square, it is 1 into 3 square, basically 2 into 5 square, 3 into 7 square, and infinite. See, this is a series of 1, 2, 3, and 1, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. See, we are trying to find the generalized formula. No problem, Arun Singh. The point was how to find the digital root of 88 factorial, right? Though the puzzle was different. Okay, Arun? The idea was to find the application part. जो हमने पढ़ा उसको apply करना important है. Yes, how to solve it? See, it is very typical if you do it in details. What we are trying to do, we are trying to do the general formula. If we put 100 in it, it will give sum of 100 terms. If we put 20 in it, it will give sum of 20 terms. Now the trick is, take the smaller sample. If the formula is true, then n, for putting n is equal to 1, it should be 9. For putting n is equal to 2, answer should be 9 plus 50, that is 59. Is it okay what I am trying to say? These type of questions are always there. Yeah. So n 1 put करने पर 9 आना चाहिए, 2 put करने पर 59 आना चाहिए. Yes, Purvi, is it clear? So instead of deriving, just put the values and solve. But we don't take n is equal to 1, because when we take n is equal to 1, that is for the rejection. Take n is equal to 1. 1 by 6 into 2 into 6 plus 14 plus 7. It is 9. But we put n is equal to 2. 9, we put n is equal to 1, here it will be 9. जब n 2 put करेंगे तो it will be 2 by 6 into 2 plus 1 3 into 6 4 that 24 plus 28 plus 7. So 6 cancel, it is 59. Here it will not give us 59. So only first option is the answer. Is it clear, guys? Yes, Smridhi, what I tried to say? These type of question can be done just by putting the values. Don't, yes, Arin, absolutely. Yes, Shubham, yes, Prachi, Chetan, have you got it? What I'm trying to say? So जब भी आपको जनरल फार्मूला करना है, don't go derive it. If the options are there, just put the value. We are not taking n1 as race, because जब n1 put करते हैं तो एक से ज्यादा ऑप्शन हो सकते हैं. रीजन बीइंग, दो डिफरेंट सीरीज एक सेम नंबर से स्टार्ट हो सकती हैं, बट उनका सम भी सेम हो, ये हमेशा नहीं ट्रू होगा, राइट? सो दिस इज द सेकंड वैरायटी इन अलजेब्रा यू कैन हैंडल. लेट अस डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. What is the nth term? So what is the difference between this and this? Here, by putting n is equal to 1, you should get 1 as the answer. By putting n is equal to 2, you should get 4. Now this is the difference. This is the nth term formula, right? Yes, guys, is it okay? So what should be the answer? Hurry up. I wish the answer from your side. Yes, Erin. Yes, Smriti. Yes, Purvi. Yes, Chetan. Second option. Absolutely. Purvi, third option. Let us put n is equal to 1 here. So 3 plus 1, 4 upon 5 raised to power 0. This is not way. 3 minus 1, 2. 5 raised to power 1. No way. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 raised to power 0. 1. This could be the answer. So only third option is the answer. Is it okay? Yes or no? Right. Okay. Let us do very typical question. What to do when there are statement type questions? We are in the last minute. A GP consists of even number of terms. Sum of all the term is 5 times sum of the term occupying odd places. Find the common ratio of GP. Can you do it in 2 seconds or 10 seconds? Yes. इस तरह क्वेश्चन पेपर में बहुत डराते हैं. So before this, guys, so I hope this is the class. But यार the रिकॉर्डेड कंसेप्ट वीडियोस आपको मिलेंगे. एआई बेस्ड नेशनल टेस्ट सीरीज है. सीनियर फैकल्टीज और 15+ ईयर एक्सपीरियंस. इंटरेक्टिव लाइव लेक्चर्स, फुल लेंथ मॉक टेस्ट होंगे. टेलीग्राम डिस्कशन ग्रुप. क्लासेस आर ऑनलाइन टिल लॉकडाउन. वंस इट इज ओवर, इट इज लाइकली टू बी ओवर रिसेंटली. You will be in the branches, and these are the phone numbers of your respective branches. You may take a screenshot. If you are wishing to join at Chandigarh Sector 8, these are the 2 numbers. Sector 34, these numbers. Panchkula, this. Ambala students can connect here. Yamuna for Guinea ma'am and Aman sir, 9215069777. Right, guys? This is for Ludhiana. Rajiv sir is there. 9216961555. 9216829995. Yes, guys, have you noted it down? Yes, you can take the screenshot of this. Yes, Prachi, Purvi, Smridhi, Chetan. Okay, so let us do the question. So this is the feature you are getting. Your classes will be online till lockdown, but lockdown is likely to be over within within a month at most. So you will be shifted to the offline classes in the back. So this is the question. May I know the answer? Yes, Shivam. Yes, Chetan. A GP consists of even number of terms. Let us start the GP from 1 and let the term be 4. If the first option is true, then 1, 2, 4, 8 are the terms. The sum of all the terms is 15. It is sum of terms occupying odd places. Odd places, it is 1 plus 4, 5. It is 3 times. Here it is required 5 times. So first option is not true. Similarly, second option is not true. If we take the third option, 1, 4, 16, 64. The sum is 85. The sum of term occupying odd places is 1 plus 16, 17. 17, 5, the 85, it was required 5 times the question hour. Don't need to go into details. Even you can take 2 terms. 1, 4. The sum is 5. Odd places is 1. It is 5 times question over. Right, guys? See, the more you do it with numbers, the more you avoid algebra. So I hope you have got some idea how to handle difficult question. So guys, thank you. Thanks a lot for being in the session. It's already over time. We have overshoot the time. So thank you, guys. Do you have any query regarding the joining, regarding anything you may ask? You're welcome, Samridhi. आप लोग की कोई क्वेरी हो ज्वाइन करने के बारे में, कुछ फीस के बारे में, तो I have given you the numbers. You can connect your respective center heads at these branches. You can take a screenshot of this. This is for Chandigarh branches, Panchkula, Ambala, Patiala, Ludhiana, Yamunanagar. So thank you, guys. Thank you very for in the session. Thanks for your compliments. All the best. See you. Hope to see you in the classes. Bye-bye.